Amen, amen, amen. Nonke, I've been away. There was another journey completion. If you're a gifted child, you're always gonna be given tasks, very difficult ones. You're always going to travel to different countries and learn whatever is happening there. Mawungumuntu onjengami, because mina ngibizela umhlaba wonke. Yeah. Okay, today I'm going to clarify the issue about body itchiness. If you are a water baby, if ubizo lwakho lu-involve amanzi, I'm not going to mention this, that, into engena proof nazo. I'm going to mention what I know. Kuthiwa angentshele ukuthi, I was told to teach you about kukhona abantu okuthiwa baneyintwala zengulube, and then this will make your body very itchy. There's a difference between the two. Kukhona ukuluma kwesichitho, where they cast evil spirits and then your body gets itchy. Kukhona ukuluma kweyintwala zengulube, whereby you exchange your clothes with somebody else, and then as a result, now uyasuleleka, your body becomes itchy, right? Kukhona ukuluma komntwana onesipho samanzi, ubizo lwakho, if it involves water, if you always dream of water, if you are a gifted child, owela ngakuleli side leli lami lokuthandaza, you're going to get itchy and itchy because you are disaligned. And efanele nazi ukuthi umuntu onobizo lwamanzi akelapheki kalula. So as a result, I decided to share that with you, because I've got so many people that says, Mkhulu, I've bathed, I've footed, I've done everything. I've been told ukuthi ngineyintwala zengulube, I've been told ukuthi nginesichitho, but isichitho sakhona sipheli. Please know that body itchiness, it's not always about isichitho. If you are a water baby, if you are gifted water kali, your body gets itchy because you are disaligned. Thank you, our vote.